Hey all, welcome back to our channel. Today I am looking at the JOBY Wavo Pro shotgun microphone, which comes with Bluetooth technology that allows you to control the sound directly from your device. JOBY sent this to me for review, but please note that I wasn't compensated for this review. All opinions are my own and will reflect my genuine experience with the product. The Wavo Pro comes packed nicely in a branded box. As a shotgun microphone, it's designed for versatility, allowing you to use it as a standard microphone or pair it with additional mics. To get the most out of its feature, you will need to download the companion app, which I will walk you through later. Let's start with what's inside the box. You'll get the Wavo Pro microphone itself, which is USB-C rechargeable. The package includes a charging cable, a TRS cable for connecting to your camera, a high-quality wind muff, and a shock mount. The wind muff is particularly impressive. It's thick and durable, providing excellent wind protection for outdoor shoots. The microphone itself is compact and solid. It features active noise reduction, which is crucial for achieving clear audio in noisy environments. The setup is simple. Attach the shock mount to your camera's hot shoe, connect the TRS cable to your camera, and you're ready to go. For charging, the USB-C port is conveniently located and the battery life is impressive, lasting up to 60 hours on full charge. One of the coolest features in the Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you control the microphone via the app. You can adjust the gain, switch the high pass filter on and off, and even set up a safety track. This feature records a backup track at a lower volume to protect against overmodulation. Now, let's move on to the app. The Wavo Pro app is easy to download and set up. It connects to the microphone quickly and allows you to make real-time adjustments to the audio settings. You can tweak the equalizer, adjust the gain, and monitor the audio levels, ensuring that you are always getting the best possible sound quality. We tested the microphone in various settings and it performed exceptionally well. In a noisy environment, the noise reduction technology filtered out most of the background noise, allowing the primary audio to come through clearly. Indoors, the microphone captured rich, detailed audio, making it ideal for podcasts, voiceovers, and vlogging. The microphone also features a cold shoe mount, making it easy to attach to any camera setup. It has buttons for gain control, plus 10 dB and plus 20 dB, and ports for connecting external microphones. When an external microphone is connected, the Wavo Pro automatically bypasses its internal mic, providing flexibility depending on your recording needs. To demonstrate, I connected the Wavo Pro to my Sony a7 IV camera and tested it at various gain levels. At plus 10 dB and plus 20 dB, the audio was clear and precise, even from a distance of several feet. This makes it suitable for a variety of shooting scenarios, from close-up interviews to wide-angle shots. Overall, the JOBY Wavo Pro is an outstanding microphone for content creators. Its high-quality build, impressive battery life, and advanced features like Bluetooth control and noise reduction make it a top choice for anyone looking to improve their audio setup. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews and tutorials. I appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.